Beautyrest heated blankets may display error codes E2, E3, or E4. These codes indicate connection problems or electrical faults that can be resolved with proper troubleshooting. Each error code has a specific meaning. Understanding what these codes indicate helps you identify the root cause of the problem. E2 typically indicates the blanket isn't receiving enough electricity, often due to loose connections or inadequate power supply. E3 points to a loose connection between components. E4 indicates a poor connection between the controller cord and the blanket. The first step in troubleshooting any of these errors is to perform a complete system reset. This simple procedure resolves many connection issues. Follow these 4 steps carefully. First, turn off the controller completely. Next, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait exactly 15 minutes to allow the system to fully reset. Finally, reconnect all connections securely. After resetting, check all physical connections. Loose or damaged connections are the most common cause of these error codes. Inspect each connection point in the system. Ensure the power cord is firmly plugged into a functioning wall outlet. Check that the controller cord is properly connected to the blanket's module with full insertion. Avoid using power strips or extension cords when possible. These may not provide adequate power for the blanket's heating elements. If you must use them, ensure they are heavy-duty and rated for the blanket's power requirements. These troubleshooting steps resolve most E2, E3, and E4 error codes. If errors persist after following these procedures, the issue may require professional assistance or warranty service. When basic reset steps don't resolve your Beautyrest heated blanket error codes, advanced troubleshooting techniques can help identify the root cause of the problem. For E2 errors, which indicate insufficient electrical power, ensure all connections are completely secure. Check that the power cord is firmly seated in the wall outlet and the controller cord is properly connected to the blanket module. E3 errors typically point to loose connections. Double-check that both the power cord and controller are securely connected. If the error persists after ensuring proper connections, consider consulting a qualified technician. E4 errors indicate poor connection between the controller cord and blanket module. Ensure the controller cord is fully inserted into the blanket's connection port. If problems persist after resetting, there may be a defect in either the controller or blanket. For dual-control heated blankets, controller swapping is an effective diagnostic technique that helps determine whether the problem lies with the controller or the blanket's internal heating circuit. If only one side of your dual-control blanket shows an error, swap the left and right controllers. If the error follows the controller to the other side, the controller is defective. If the error stays on the same side, the problem is with that side's heating circuit. Safety measures are critical when using and maintaining heated blankets. Proper care prevents damage to internal components and reduces fire and electrical hazards. When washing your heated blanket, avoid twisting or bunching the fabric. This prevents damage to the delicate internal heating wires that are distributed throughout the blanket. Never use a heated blanket that shows signs of damage. Burn marks, tears, or exposed wires indicate serious safety hazards that could lead to fire or electrical shock. If error codes persist after following all troubleshooting steps, it's time to contact professional support. Beautyrest customer service can provide warranty assistance and connect you with qualified repair technicians. Remember that safety is paramount when dealing with electrical heating devices. When in doubt, always consult with qualified professionals rather than attempting repairs yourself.